Hey everyone, so it's day 7 of the advent calendar opening, so I'm just going to get straight into it. If you've just started watching, this is the Sparkle Supply UK's. So yeah, let's just try and get this open without all the others coming open at the same time. I'm loving these pots, I love them. So this is what we got. It's another glitter mix and navy glitz. Looks very pretty. Oh, it's another hexagon mix. Wow, look how sparkly that is. Wow, it's like little mirrors. Wow, that is like insane sparkly. Look how reflective that is. Wow. Wow, that is really cool. I like that. That is so reflective. Wow. So give me 1 second. So time for the nail polish. A very pretty box. Blue get a blue box. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? That would be nice. So let's open it up and have a look what we've got without me ripping the box, which I have. I need something longer. Let's try this instead. Come on. Not open. So it's a very pretty sparkly one. All sparkly things today. Ooh. All that jazz, eh? It is glitter. Oh my god. Again. I'm not having a good time of it last couple of days. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And now that is everywhere. I mean, really. It just says nail topper on it. Oh no, it's really pretty. It's a good job it is pretty, isn't it? Well, I'm not going to clear that up right now because it's going to take ages because it's a silicone mat as well and it's super fine. Okay, let's just move on. Let's open the last of the green ones of the Smileys glitter. Oh, and we have striping tape. Striping tape is like my nemesis. It really is. So there's a red one. Sorry, let me bring the camera up a bit. So we have a red one. So a red one. Gold hollow. Rose gold hollow. And like a silvery blue. Very, very pretty. I'm trying to get it so you can actually see what they actually look like. It's really pretty. They're really, really pretty. Ooh. More striping tape. So, yeah, that is that's today's advent calendar. At least you can see the glitter. So I suppose that's something. It's very pretty. I would rather not have it on my mat, but there you go. I will clear it up in a second. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. Hopefully tomorrow will not be a glitter day again. It's 2 days in a row. Anyway, let me know what you think down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, take care. Bye. I will post some pictures at the end. Bye.